Look at that happy little family. Mama, daddy, and little daughter. Hey, Cersei. You're not used to having a tractor in the field right in front of you, are you? Go on. I'm not going to hurt you. Hey, Jon Snow. Does that feel good? Does that feel good, John? Big old boy. Can I get behind you without you acting like a jerk? Well, hey, little sweetie. How you doing, huh? We found out she is a little heifer. And she is tiny compared to the other babies we had earlier in the year. So I guess heifers are usually smaller than bulls. What you doing, cutie pie? We're over here cutting down trees for the round pen. We're going to use it for the sides. The cows are wondering why the tractor's out in the field. You calling your baby to you?
Have you got to pet the calf yet?
Uh-huh. The first week. Was it last week she was born, I think? Or the week before? I think it was last week.
I think it was last week. I know I was here. We walked down there and I said,
Yeah, I found her. And John, he's getting turned into a big old boy. He's almost 2 years old now. Just turned 2, I guess. Hey, cutie. I'm not gonna hurt you. I like how she keeps snorting. Like, come on, move along. Follow me now. He likes rubbing his head on the limb. The little bull's just taking it. We got 3 bulls on here, and everybody said they'd fight, but they were all raised together. I mean, he was here when the babies were born, but yeah, they all get along fine. Hey, Danny girl. That's the little bull laying down. That's the other mama cow standing up, the black one. Danny girl, she's a cow. Okay, sweetie, I'm not gonna hurt you. Whoops, it's okay. Nobody's gonna hurt you.